Mate, license and registration, please.
Oh, week 2 in a few words. It was fun, warm, cold. 5 pencils and 5 chickens. Hammer, screwdriver, wrench, pallet, pivot, pliers, and saw.
Alright, wait, is it 3 words, 2 words, 1 word? My weekend is fun, hot, Canadian. What is it? 5 hands, 5 Okay. A chisel, a file, a lever, a saw, screwdriver, a hammer.
One griller versus one shellfish. What's good? Bring it on.
Hello, I'm Reece. The first thing is going to be fun, to the funny. Oh, that's so cool.
100 gorillas or 6 buffaloes, 3 usos and 1 moldy.
Hello, my name's Reece. My first week at course has been fun, funny, and cold. Chisel, files, bunch tools, screwdrivers, and cutting. Yeah, man. That's week 2, baby.
Others down 3. 1, 2, 3.